Welcome to new version of asset management system. In this video I'm going to explain new features which is add quantity during adding new asset, barcode and QR code bulk print item option, which is a kind of big features, and bug fix and optimization enter application. So let's start one by one. I already opened Visual Studio and run the project. So as we can see, project is running using port number 50007. Hopefully it will redirect to the login screen. So first we have to log into the system, then we can explore the features of asset management system. So if I give you the simple overview of what is asset management system, using this system you can manage your company or small or big enterprise level company asset with proper tracking and reporting. And regarding the technology, what we have used, this is ASP.NET MVC application with .NET 8, and the front end part we have used Razor, jQuery, JavaScript, and backend part MVC C# controller. Database you can use SQL Server, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. This application supported multiple database. Just you need to change the connection string. And also this is code first project. All business logic we written using LinkU, and entity framework code for database access. So let me create a fresh new asset so that we can explore and demonstrate the demo. So already default or a demo asset has been created. So let me create another one. So asset ID, you can define your asset ID. Based on this ID, barcode will be set. Also the QR code, also you can change the QR code and update accordingly. Let's go with the default one, and let's say model number M101. Asset name is RAM 5T2. Description TBD. Unit price, let's say 50 USD. Quantity, let's say 100. Asset status new. Date of purchase today. And QR code and barcode. Category is electronics. Subcategory is let's say desktop computer. Supplier is let's say IT department, Amazon, and sub department is not required field. And there we have other options: date of manufacture, year of valuation, lot of things. You can add image, also the purchase receipt here. You can also assign this asset to someone of your organization. Let me just save with this given data. So asset has been created with the default image, and you can print, allocate, and check the details of this asset. So we can see the details. Also you can download if you already uploaded the purchase receipt. And in this version we have implemented new column which is quantity. As we can see, we already have the quantity, 100 quantity. So next important features we have implemented, like we have already have the print barcode and print QR code. So barcode and QR code, previously you can print just single, but most of the cases you need the bulk item barcode. Let me go with the print barcode bulk item, print custom. If you click this custom button, then maybe some issue here. Let me check the print barcode, print custom. And if we go to the print QR code, print custom, let me check the issue. So having issue in Visual Studio basically, so I tested and little bit surprised why this is happening during the live demo anyway. So I just open using VS Code. It's working as expected. Let me show you the demo. So if we click the print barcode, print custom, custom mean we want to print the multiple barcodes bulk item. So if I click this button, action button, then we can see the default 10 barcode will be loaded. So additionally, we have implemented dynamic feature, which is you can add range like start to end it, so start to end ID, so that you can print according to your need. Let's say 1 to 1 and apply filter, so it will show only 1. And if we let's say 100, it will hopefully it will show the entire barcode of the system. So if I click the print all, then it will redirect the print option. So you can print the barcode item using these new features. And if we jump to the QR code, so also the QR code, we implement the same things like multiple or bulk QR code. You can print 10 item or 100 item based on your needs accordingly. So also you can filter by ID. As the default, it will load the 10 item filter, so you can see the entire QR code of your system in this space. And if we click the print all, then it will open the print option. Here is the just little gap, so that you can cut down accordingly. So this is the new features overall summary. You can print multiple barcode with the range by filtering the barcode. You can print the entire items, or print that just only 10 items, or selected items basically. So using this asset management system, you can smoothly manage the asset. And also the user management is role based. So let me show you. If we're going to create a new user, then user role, you can set the admin and general. So admin user can access everything, general user can only access the few pages. Let me show you. If I log in using this general user, so as we can see, only I can see my profile only, other pages not available for this general user. So let me log in again with super admin user, so that we can explore the full application. So I was talking about like a user role. So using the manage user role, you can create another role. So admin user, if we go to the details, the access role list, this user can access everything, but general user only can access his dashboard and user profile. So dashboard is default, and asset allocated asset only. So another things like you can create new role based on, let's say, department, and according to your department name, you can like accountant. You can select some items, so that accountant user can access that page only. And during the create new user, then you have to define that role accordingly. And we have asset history. You can check the asset history, like create asset, other status you can check here. And you can create the multiple asset category, subcategory, asset status. All comments will be displayed here. Print barcode, QR code, I already explained. Manage employee, like create department, sub department, and designation. Request model, we have implemented the request model. So your organization employee can request new asset and also submit the asset issue. Admin user can check and update the status accordingly. In the settings option, you can define the supplier, company info, identity settings for user management, basically the password length and other things, email setting for this is in this application, email SMTP settings, login history, audit log is all database create and update operation. You can check here. As we can see, already 526 operation have been done, and this part I already explained. The reporting part, you can check the asset info. You can print this asset info. Also, you can export into PDF. And asset status is basically total asset, and you can see the status in use available. So all this status wise asset you can check here. And asset allocation, already 2 asset has been assigned to the employee from total 22 asset. Sorry, only 1 asset has been assigned and an unassigned is 21. So let me wrap up. So using this application, you can smoothly handle your organization asset. And if you wanted to get this application, if you purchase, then you will get complete source code, database, complete project documentation, ERD diagram, architecture diagram, video tutorial, and free tech support. And let me show you the simple project code overview. So controller, model, and view, and front-end part into the JS folder. We have write folder wise JavaScript code, as we can see. So this is built using ASP.NET 8.0. So if you are interested, just click into the buy now. I already deploy this application into live server. Let me show you. We have a live server. Login into asset management system. You can check the live version. Login. And if you are interested to get this entire application, just click into this purchase now or buy now. Then you will redirect to the Code Canyon, and you will get, after purchase, you will get the entire application from this Code Canyon platform. So thank you again. See you in the next video.